what we work on is bigger than who we are. It's about helping families and helping patients who need these oncology drugs that the company makes. My time's mostly split between being on the manufacturing floor, making the oncology drugs that we have here at the company, or working with our other partners for different drugs that we might have coming up in the pipeline. You look globally around what the company is doing right now. There's so much success out there in terms of clinical trials as well as the commercial products. We wouldn't be at that stage if it wasn't something that was working and helping people. I'm very passionate about the work that we do here, and I definitely love working at this company. I've never really been at a place where every day when I leave, I feel like I accomplished something. And then also just the culture here is such that it makes me want to continue to be my best to help other people. And then the success for our patients trickles out of that at the end of the day.